When I got my first job, I was recommended his book, The Power of Healthy Tensions.
YMCA Canada and YMCAs themselves across Canada have been working with Tim for a number of years, providing some really top-notch leadership programs, keynote speaking, workshops.
It's very real. They lean right into the challenges of leadership.
We'll be taking away the different tensions. I spent some time thinking about which tensions did I have and my team have.
Even the content on what he offers, the book itself, it's all stuff that is relevant to what we're doing as an organization and our leadership team. And I have this groundwork now sort of established with him and getting to build off of that.
So I have a team of 10. And we're managing through a lot of change and a lot of tensions, and I think I'm even saying it, and the power of and is going to resonate with me and with my team.
I got a bunch of notes written down of stuff to kind of bring back, examples to use.
They do a great job listening to our needs and ensuring that the content and the experience really meets and exceeds our needs and expectations.
They want to curate something for us, make it special, make it meaningful, give us a chance to connect.
Always exciting.
An amazing experience.